Okay, we're gonna do a little nighttime one while we're just walking down this boardwalk. So I did a bunch of other ones, and this is kind of the latest one. I think the lighting is actually not so good anymore, but we're gonna just film it anyways and just kind of see how it looks. Plus, I think I promised that I would do that anyways. So it's Saturday, it's about 8 p.m. right now, so it's pretty active. And you basically have like parties everywhere, eating food, things like that. So we're just gonna walk down for about 10 minutes. And this is a slice of it. There's a lot more on both sides, behind me and in front of me. About 5 kilometers long. Okay, let's 2023. COVID is over and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're going to be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok, so stay tuned and check it all out. Okay, so now we have the beach. We have all this activity. So you can buy food. I can overlook the ocean as well. And we got many people. Actually, it's like every space is full. Amazing. And there's also a lot of restaurants, bars, clubs over on the other side, as you can see. Okay, so we're basically walking south. We're overlooking the ocean, and the I think it's basically what's that called? Sri Road. Pattaya is way down there, about 30 kilometers probably. They also sell food, so you can buy food, all kinds of stuff. Pretty cool. You can overlook the water as well. And this just goes on, I think it's about 4 or 5 kilometers of how deep it goes. Hello. 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 And over there, there's some bars. There's live music. I think there's some. You can also see all the people way up on the top there. So they're and then also all the stuff down below as well. Pretty cool. See, I got all kinds of activities going on up here. Pretty cool kind of scene. And you got stuff on both sides, right? And amazingly, they kind of keep this walking path clear. Very considerate. Buy food. And of course there's bars and restaurants. Maybe we'll just go over there real quick. We'll go like that. A lot of traffic, of course. But you can also see a lot of places too. This one right here. So these kind of line up everywhere. There's live music somewhere. There we go. Nice. we're gonna try to go back. Okay. The ocean to the right. And music and stuff to the left. So yeah, I could actually probably walk this. It's kind of a long walk. I did some portions of this and it was like a really long time. So probably what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over to this, another one over here. And you can basically see all the, and you can also see all the stuff over on the side too, right? So pretty interesting. Okay. So let's kind of get an idea. And we also have the ocean. Let me see if we can see the ocean a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna end it right there. That's another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're gonna be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them. Yeah.